We have number of buses from different companies, and we found that Eicher buses are most fuel efficient. This is one of the reasons for us to go for Eicher. Good morning, I'm Dr. Arun Kumar Goel, Principal Silver Bells Public School, Shamli. Today we have more than 3,200 students on our roll. We have more than 100 in buses, and a big number out of all these is from Eicher. Basically, for school, safety and security of students is top priority. It's most important aspect. Keeping in mind the same, we have chosen Eicher buses because they have more than 40 plus safety features in Eicher buses. Our children feel comfortable, so the travel while coming to school or going back home, we are quite confident, good quality transport. The maintenance of buses is very low. It is easy. The service is quite good. So we don't find breakdown of buses. Company has also provided My Eicher App in vehicles, which is very helpful. We are all the time connected with the vehicle. It's quite helpful. Overall, we are very much satisfied with Eicher vehicles, and as we are regularly expanding, we are very sure that we will go for Eicher only.
आइशर, नई सोच नए रास्ते।